So I'm from New Jersey. Parents moved here when I was 17. Went to high school in Lewis County. After that, joined the Marine Corps. Went to South Carolina. Got out after 5 years. Went to Georgia with my wife. And then I just got back here like a month ago. Their motto is like the few, the proud. So I wanted to be something that no one else in my family has. So went there, did my 5 years, got out honorably. My favorite was probably like the brotherhood. If someone always has your back no matter what situation's going on. The least is probably just getting screamed at and like degraded all the time. That's probably the least. Waking up at 4 o'clock, getting screamed at, going to bed at 7 o'clock. Yeah, running every day. That's probably the worst, yeah. It's kind of like, so in the Marine Corps is like a team thing. Like everyone has to be on their same page. Like if you did something wrong, I would get in trouble for it because I'm supposed to hold you accountable. Here, I feel like you have your own range to do your own thing. And I wanted to push myself to see what I can do by myself instead of having to be like in a specific team, which is, I mean, it's a team here, but if I don't sell them cars, they don't get fired. I get fired. So I go to the gym, so I go like sit in the sauna, and I got a bunch of old people that are in there, and I'm like, hey, like y'all want to buy cars? Like I try to put myself out in random spots that I know like no one else hears at. So I mean, so I walk around town or like be in Walmart, and I'm like, hey, y'all need a car? You want to stop in? It's being weird, but I've had a couple people come in from it, so it works. Once you get out of the Marine Corps, no one tells you like you have no skills of doing anything outside of the Marine Corps. That's a big thing. I got out, I applied probably 150 different places. They're like, well, what skills do you have? And like what I did in the Marine Corps doesn't translate to anything outside. So they're like, yeah, well, you have no experience. We'll start you at $10 an hour. I'm almost 24. $10 an hour isn't paying any of my bills for 2 kids or my wife or nothing. That's what they don't tell you. They get you in, but they don't tell you how to get out.